If you have an amazing product, but you just don't have the best creative ads, you're going nowhere. It's easy to find products that work, but to find advertisements, TikToks, Instagram Reels, videos that can promote your product the way you want it is the key. Now, guys, I'm going to be talking about two things today. Number one, the best ad creatives platform on the market. And number two, the best fulfillment center you can find. Now, putting them together, guys, means absolute success. So make sure you do watch the whole video. Disclaimer, I'm living my dream on a paradise island because I got into dropshipping, but I followed the people that made it easier, just like Viral Ecom Adz. So let's check them out. All right, guys, you can see Viral Ecom Adz. This is where you're going to get the best ads on the market from reputable content creators like myself, okay, building the ads that you need for your product. Now, not everybody likes to go on their phone and take a selfie. Not everyone likes to make videos. But guys, I'm telling you, there's people like me, hundreds and millions of people like me that love doing this and are happy to promote your product. Okay, guys, this is the Viral Ads platform that I honestly think is the most important tool to making sure that your dropshipping business is successful. Okay, you can get winning ad creatives, and right now 75% off and a 24-hour delivery, which is absolutely insane. So what exactly is going on, okay? They already highlight the best sellers for you, the AI UGC ads and the UGC ads above. But guys, with this 75% off package, you're getting 75% off video and image ad packages, 30% off the UGC and ad packages, 24-hour delivery and revisions, delivery on the weekend, Viral Ecom Adz VIP, Discord, and weekly 7-figure coaching calls. This is incredible. And I've been on one of these calls, guys, and I promise you, I thought maybe my ego took over. I thought I was incredible at dropshipping until I went on these coaching calls and realized that actually there is so much more to learn, and it's not all about just the operational side. Okay, ads is super huge. It's your go-to place for everything, guys. Over 30 million sales tracked using their ads right now. Okay, whether it's a video ad package, an image ad package, UGC ad package, or just the normal ad packages. Okay, you can see a little Vimo videos here. I won't play on here because of copyright issues, but please go and check them out. Okay, over 30,000 e-commerce stores actually use this. I use this myself as well, guys. All right, and this is with just the creators from this platform. All right, over 100,000 creators for the members, trusted by 30,000 people online, helped generate over $30 million in sales. Now that is insane. So become a VIP member right now, get that 75% off, guys. Absolutely incredible. And you can name your price, okay? If you go to their sister company, the Viral Ecom Creators, I've actually made a video on them because they're incredible. You can actually get them and fully tailor how you want this ad with what creators. And it's so incredible, guys. So once you have this, you're gonna go to the second tool that I think you need to be successful in dropshipping. And although this is not a tool, okay, Fulfillman is a platform, a dropshipping fulfillment center service, okay, this is something you need. Once you have your ads absolutely blowing up, you need someone that's gonna take care of all of these items. Okay, with global fulfillment dropshipping service here, guys, all the way from China, branding and product photography, okay, they've got so much to it. Now you can actually see, what can they do for you? They can do dropshipping, China sourcing, Amazon FBA, private line, product photography, crowd fulfillment, all the things that you need once your ad blows up. Okay, why would you want to choose them? They've got global reach, local support, personalized support, cost effectiveness, and guys, at Fulfillman, we allow everyone, whether you're an entrepreneur, a small business, a dropshipper, a global brand, whether you just invented a product that you really like, you've made a huge ad about it, you've realized that going to Viral Ecom Adz and this video hit 10 million views, you now actually need to start distributing this product. That's why Fulfillment is there for you guys. So make sure you do check that out as well. But with Viral Ecom Adz, guys, I promise you, there is zero chance that you are not going to benefit from having these. Unless you are an incredible creator yourself, and you might not need it. Even then, it's still good to scale. But yeah, if you're like me, and when you start off dropshipping, you just didn't know how to make an advertisement, guys, I promise you, this will change your whole dropshipping journey. There you go, guys. Hit that like button, hit subscribe with the bell if you haven't notified. Make sure you hit the links down below. Go and get involved with both these platforms and make dropshipping easy.